Last year, we created the LaserPecker laser engraving machine. We showed it in Kickstarter, and you liked it. We created a community with more than 2,000 supporters and 50,000 users all over the world. Now, we are back. This is LaserPecker 2, the new ultra-portable commercial high-speed multifunctional intelligent laser engraving machine adopts our most advanced technology so far. Industrial high-speed galvanometer solution. 10 times the speed increase. This means fast, super fast. The high-speed preview program supports square preview and graphic preview. You get what you see. An upgraded 5-watt semiconductor laser with compressed spot technology. This means you can engrave anything, and it will give you higher power and more possibilities. The features of LaserPecker Pro are more amazing than before. It makes engraving easier. Handheld portable engraving, 360-degree rotating engraving, intelligent mobile engraving. The maximum size that can be engraved is 100 by 200 millimeters. Suitable for various materials. Motorized height adjustment, easy operation. 5-watt power supports cutting wood, paper, acrylic, leather goods with thickness below 5 millimeters. If you need to engrave 1 or 100 products, LaserPecker Pro will engrave at an amazing speed. LaserPecker Pro has the highest level of security protection. Super portable. Put it in your backpack. Turn on the power and you can use it anytime, anywhere. LaserPecker can always capture the smallest details. We have been working so hard to improve the portable commercial high-speed multifunctional intelligent laser engraving machine. Now, we are back. Be the first one to enjoy LaserPecker 2. The super fast LaserPecker 2.
We set out to design a stealthy electric bike. One so sexy you couldn't tell it's electric. Job well done. You may remember us from our first campaign when we launched a sleek line of electric bikes for the people. After delivering thousands of bikes around the world, releasing over a dozen new models and countless design iterations, we're ready to release the Babymaker. It's the sexiest and stealthiest e-bike we've ever made. The Babymaker is everything we love about classic road bikes, redesigned with advanced technology for the modern world. The beauty is simplicity. Less is more.
You got enough going on in your life. The last thing you need is more gimmick features you'll never use.
There's no gears to fumble with, no keys, no GPS, no Bluetooth, no pointless app, so you can just enjoy the ride. The Babymaker is simple. It works for you. Just turn it on, hit the pedals, and go. Traditional bikes are limited by your own pedal power, making hills and high speeds challenging. That's why we gave the Babymaker a powerful motor discreetly placed in the rear wheel. Tackle hills with ease and get there in record time, all without breaking a sweat.
Want to get to work fast and fresh? Put in level 5 and let your Babymaker do the work. Want some exercise? Put in level 0 and it's all you, baby.
The Babymaker's classic style turns heads everywhere, yet nobody knows it's electric. That can be our little secret. There's no ugly battery bolted to the bike. Instead, we ditched the unsightly cables and hid a high-capacity lithium battery right in the frame. Charge the battery in just 2 hours and you can ride with pedal assist up to 50 miles per charge. When the battery's out, you can just continue riding forever on your own power. The Babymaker is so lightweight it pedals just like a normal bike. When you need to slow down, just hit the powerful Magura hydraulic disc brakes and safely stop from high speeds in an instant. The Babymaker Pro has no greasy chain. Instead, it rocks a carbon Gates belt drive. This gives you a remarkably smooth ride that is quiet, clean, and maintenance-free. The Babymaker is our vision of the future of sustainable transportation. It gives you the freedom to ride faster, climb higher, and explore further than ever before. The Babymaker is more than just a bike, it's a movement. If you want to keep more money in your wallet, have more time for the people you love, and breathe more clean air, then this is the bike for you.
The Babymaker is ready for mass production, so reserve yours today and tell your friends, because with your help and our expertise, we're going to build you a bike that will change the way you think about riding forever. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see ya.
What if changing the world was as easy as pushing a button? Hey, I'm Matt from Pela, and I want to introduce you to my friend Lomi. At Pela, we're a team of engineers and material scientists, and for the last 3 years, we've been creating something truly special, a solution to the world's garbage problem. Now, before I show you how Lomi is going to change the world, let's talk about why you're going to want one in your home today. Maybe you live in a big city and have a green bin program. You know, those little plastic bins with leaky bags under your sink that are amazing at producing smelly, gross liquid sludge that nobody wants to touch. Raccoons, anybody? Or maybe you don't have a green bin system where you live, and instead, you throw all your food waste into the garbage, which then goes to a landfill, which produces methane, which causes climate change, all while still smelling pretty terrible. Lomi makes your life so much easier. Lomi can compost your food waste, that pesky packaging from your online shopping habit, and even biodegradable plastics. Yep, Lomi even works on Pela's compostable phone cases, all at the push of a button. And as little as a few hours later, your waste has turned into the start of nutrient-rich compost, totally mess-free and odor-neutralized. You probably know us at Pela as the inventors of the world's first compostable phone case. Pela's customers have eliminated more than 41.8 million plastic bags worth of garbage in the last 5 years. To create Lomi, we've spent over 3 years completing more than 1,000 compost tests and endless hours of design and prototyping. Lomi isn't just beautifully designed, it is the world's best home composter, period. Food waste creates 330 billion pounds of garbage in North America each year. Packaging and plastic represent even more garbage and add that number up even higher. Lomi makes food waste a thing of the past and helps you cut up to half of your carbon footprint, all while making odor-neutralized, mess-free compost that you can feed your plants, toss in your garden, send it to the green bin, or put it in the garbage. Together, we can do something that politicians and big businesses can't seem to take any action on, actually helping the planet. We can make trash a thing of the past. Back our project today, and you'll help us bring Lomi to life.
Alexa, turn on my S10.
I just want to what if everything you know about keeping your healthy diet packable is wrong? Not truly modular, nor ergonomic, nor cool, just plain wrong. Eating healthy shouldn't be hard work. Meet Fold Eat, the lunchbox that unfolds into an eating mat. So you can serve your meal anytime, anywhere. Just pull one zipper and you'll have your table set no matter where you are. At the office, in the park, or a romantic dinner. We'd rather have you not eat like this. One significant advantage of Fold Eat is its ability to be, spell it with us, modular. A regular day at work, pack it small and make it compact. Just 1 or maybe 2 containers. Bulking up for the gym, maybe 3 will suit your needs. Long day ahead, easily pack up to 4. And, of course, you can carry it or not carry it. Plus, the mat is reversible, so you have 2 styles in one. An insulation layer inserted between the faces keeps the temperature steady. Magnetic bands hold the dips and cutlery in place. And when things get messy, simply throw it in the washing machine. Now, let's talk containers. We don't believe in awkward shapes. We design them to be fair and square. 6.5 wide by 2 inches tall, so you can fit them for less, for more, and for all. Liquids? When it comes to liquids, there is nothing safer than a screw cap. That's why we have a container just for that, with extra foam installation. Because your support is essential for us at this stage, all Kickstarter backers will have a free liquid container included. But wait, there's more. Containers come with a food separator, so you can easily portion your meals. When needed, custom gel packs fit between containers, cooling both of them. Fold Eat's holding ring can keep you entertained. So yes, Fold Eat has it all. Packing and eating on the go will be so simple, you'll even be able to keep up with your New Year's resolution diet. Back Fold Eat now and make it your essential tool for a healthier lifestyle.